Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have experienced more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video with Google Chrome browser, I'm going to show you how we can use the bookmark and what are the options which you can find with this browser. Here you can see we have the bookmark bar, and if you want to specifically bookmark any website, first you need to enter the website, and here we need to click on bookmark. Now I can bookmark this tab and I can give it a new name, like I'm going to give it like gmail.com, and you can save that in a folder. And if I click here, so you can see the new folder, the BN, the bookmark bar, the other bookmarks. I can choose another folder as well. Let's select this bookmark bar. I can click on done or remove. To get your bookmarks on all your devices, you can turn on the sync as well from here. For now, I'm going to click on done, and you can see we have the gmail.com right here. And where I can find the options for the bookmarks. Simple, I can click here, and here we have the bookmarks and list. First, we have bookmark this tab, which I can use the shortcut Ctrl+D. Next, we can bookmark all tabs, which I can use Ctrl+Shift+D, the shortcut. And here we have hide bookmark bar, and you can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+B. If I click here, so it's not going to hide this bar, but we're going to see how we can hide that as well. And if I want to see the show bookmark bar, so you can use the shortcut, click on show bookmark bar. And next we have the show all bookmarks. If I click here, it's going to open this panel, and up here we can pin to toolbar just like this. Now it is here. I can unpin from toolbar as well, or I can search for any specific bookmarks, or from here I can just click on the folder to open the bookmarks like this one. Maybe I want to open this settings appearance, so it's going to open. And also here we have the bookmark manager. If I click, so you can see the bookmark manager. From here I can just click to edit, delete, cut, copy. You can paste, you can open this in new tab, you can open it in a new window, or you can open it in incognito window or private browsing. And also here we can import bookmarks and settings. Next we have the reading list. We can add this tab to reading list, or you can click on show reading list. And next we have the bookmarks, which you can find the settings, this folder, this Gmail, and other bookmarks if you want. So we have the other bookmarks right here. You can just click to open it. And if I want to hide that bookmark bar right here, what we need to do is that we need to click here and click on the settings. In your left, we need to click on appearance, and here you have the show bookmarks bar. Let's click at that. It's going to hide that bookmarks bar just like this. So this is how we can use the bookmarks with our Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.